what? Yeah. Yeah, I'll get Joshua on there too.
What?
Yeah. Ooh, be careful. They'll get it down, Pat.
Yeah, I think you got it.
Yeah. Well, thank you for bringing it over.
Of course. It's a pleasure meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you too.
Enjoy it. Thank you. Looks like you get some use out of it.
Oh yeah, we will.
If you decide to sell anything else,
I just couldn't keep the turnips from going to seed. Look at that. The different types of turnips are making different types of flowers. So we've got these pretty little white ones and the pretty little yellow ones. They're going to seed. That's good, because as they make their little seed pods, see the little seed pod? They make their little seed pods, and then when they decide to pop open, can you see the little seed pods? There's a bunch of them in there. But when those little seed pods pop open, they will be dropping hundreds of seeds all over, and then new, brand new little turnips will grow. Those are little purple flowers. So we kind of got white flowers, purple flowers, all kinds of good flowers. Yeah, wow. Pretty pretty. I love the flowers in the springtime. And look over here. We got some kale coming on. Pretty 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 kale. The cats keep digging around in here. I'm gonna have to kick some cat ass. Oh well. It's just the way it goes. And got potatoes popping up. Got some peas. Oh man, peas getting tall. Almost to the top. Oh, look at that. One little pea pod. So let's see. Ooh, two little pea pods. Look at that. There's a pea pod right there. Woo! Got chilly today. It's going to rain. What we got?
Tractor that's not running.
Alright, let's look. Just take a peek at it and see what we can find. I found an engine. Woohoo! Alright, let's lift the hood. How do you lift the hood? There you go. Alright, this on tight enough?
No, it's loose.
Alright, remember he said he would take it off whenever he didn't have it parked? I mean, wasn't using it?
Yeah.
So we need to just kind of put that back on there. Kind of, it was touching that screw. So, we turn. Keep learning. There he goes. It's off to the wild blue yonder on the back 40. Yep. I picked up this box. It's got some slugs on it, so I'm gonna take these slugs over there to the baby duckies, see if the baby duckies would want them. Hey, baby duckies, come here. Come here, I got some slugs for you. Come on, babies. There we go. Baby duckies like slugs. Okay, go down in there. There we go. Baby duckies. Whenever they find them, they'll eat them. That's for sure. What are they? Roly-polies. Put some roly-polies in there for the baby duckies too. There you go, baby duckies. Another big old roly-poly. Okay, baby duckies. Well, you know, I could sit around and wait for hours for you two guys, or four guys, whatever. I could wait for hours for you little ones to find those. But you'll find them. Alright, let me get these boxes and put these out towards the compost. Luna, don't you eat my box. That's my box. It's not for you, okay? Don't go eating my box. You don't eat my box. Alright. I hear a tractor. I hear a tractor. Pepper plants. Kale, I believe. I think that's a tree. I don't know about that thing being in there. Another pepper plant. Cabbage. Pepper plants. There's an okra. More kale and cabbages or whatever. Probably Brussels sprouts, maybe. We'll see when they get a little bit bigger. But we're slowly coming on with our garden. Slowly, slowly. But we'll get there. We had some rain. Now we got little grass and little trees popping up in there. Weeds and stuff. So we'll come back behind it and pull up some weeds. Kind of nip them in the bud. All right. I hope they don't fall in the sinkhole. I don't think they will. I think they're doing wonderful. They're learning how to drive the tractor.